Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my previous video, I told you that it is possible that after breaking down this ascending triangle, the price action can move down and break out this resistance, because at the same time, the price action was breaking out this Ichimoku bearish cloud on the daily time frame, and this is a very big achievement that we are out of this cloud. I'll discuss this cloud in some other video. Today I want to show you now why the price line of Bitcoin can imminently move up to $50,000. Let me to show you first this triangle, and here we can see that the price action has broken out the same triangle that was broken down previously, and it has first broken out this previous support as a resistance and also the resistance of this triangle, and rallied up to $42,400. And here the price action is top. And here I would like to show you a very long-term support level on the 4-hourly time frame chart that is appeared. And we can see, if I place this trend line here, then we can see that the price line is again and again testing this support and getting bounced every time. Whenever it is moving at this support, it is getting bounced towards the upside. Therefore, it is also possible that this time the price action will again retest this support that is approximately at $40,000, and from here it will take another bounce. Now, if we take a look at the different support and resistance levels, then on the daily time frame, we had so many resistance levels, and the price line has broken out all these resistance levels in one go very easily. And now you can see that the price line is topped here at 42,000 resistance level. But here the price line has also broken out this red line, that is the 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame. That is a very big achievement. Now we have the next resistance, the moving average resistance is 200 simple moving average. And here I would like to show you this move of the 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame. You can see that this 50 simple moving average, this green one, has started moving towards the upside, and therefore it can lift the price action up and form a golden cross with 200 simple moving average. This yellow one is 200 daily simple moving average, and previously we have seen that before this death cross between the 200 and 50 simple moving average, there was a very strong rally, very strong bearish rally towards the downside. Same as like that, we can expect a very powerful rally towards the upside before this golden cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and we can see that this rally has been started. However, at this time the price line is topped at $42,000. Now we have if we take a look at the different supports that the price action has left behind, that is $39,500 here. Then we have $36,000 support level. Then we have at $33,000, then $31,000, and $28,800. In fact, this is a very strong support zone from $31,000 to $28,800 that the price action has retested here. And after retesting this zone, the price action has started the next rally towards the upside, and now the price line has also broken out the 100 daily simple moving average. Now here I would like to explain you why the price line, after breaking out this 42,000 resistance level, can imminently move up to $50,000, because between $42,000 to $52,000, we don't have any significant resistance on the daily time frame. Like we have here a very minor resistance at $43,000, then we have a very minor resistance here at $48,000. However, between $42,000 to $50,000, there is no major resistance that can stop the price line to move up to this $50,000. And once the price action will break out this $50,000, then it can make another attempt to break out the $60,000 very strong resistance level. And let me just show you one more thing here. On the weekly time frame, we are above the EMA 21. Therefore, this Monday is very important. Next few hours, once the price action will be closed above this EMA 21 weekly, that will increase the confidence of the traders, the buyers, and they will start buying Bitcoin here, because we will have the closing above the EMA 21, and there are so many traders who are looking at this move of Bitcoin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.